Hello, health enthusiasts! Are you ready to hit the reset button on your body and feel absolutely amazing? Then join me on this incredible 7-day detox challenge. It's time to ditch those toxins and embrace a healthier, more vibrant you. This isn't about deprivation, folks. It's about nourishing your body with nature's finest ingredients. We're talking delicious foods packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Get ready to feel the difference. Over the next 7 days, we'll embark on a journey together. We'll explore the power of detoxing, unlock the secrets of 7 powerful ingredients, and enjoy simple, delicious recipes that will transform your health. Are you ready to feel lighter, brighter, and full of energy? Let's get started. Your body will thank you. Our bodies are incredible machines, constantly working to eliminate toxins and keep us healthy. But let's face it, with our modern lifestyles, we're bombarded with more toxins than ever before. Processed foods, pollution, stress, it all adds up. That's where detoxing comes in. Think of it as a spring cleaning for your body. By reducing your exposure to toxins and supporting your natural detoxification pathways, you can give your body the boost it needs to thrive. The benefits are incredible. You'll experience increased energy levels, improved digestion, clearer skin, and even a sharper mind. Who wouldn't want that? Now let's meet the stars of our detox show. 7 natural ingredients that will revolutionize your health. Lemons bursting with vitamin C. Lemons are a powerhouse for detoxification. They help flush out toxins and alkalize the body. Ginger. This spicy root is a natural anti-inflammatory and digestive aid. It helps soothe the gut and reduce bloating. Apple cider vinegar. Rich in enzymes and probiotics, apple cider vinegar supports healthy digestion and helps balance the body's pH levels. Turmeric. This golden spice is a potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory. It helps protect the liver and supports overall detoxification. Green tea. Packed with antioxidants called catechins, green tea helps boost metabolism and supports liver function. Berries, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, these colorful gems are loaded with antioxidants that fight free radicals and protect your cells. Water. Last but certainly not least, water is essential for life and detoxification. It helps flush out toxins and keeps everything running smoothly. Section 4. Sip your way to wellness, a simple detox drink recipe. Ready to kickstart your day the detox way? Try this simple yet powerful detox drink. 1 cup warm water, half a lemon, juiced, 1-inch piece of ginger, grated, 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. 1. Combine all ingredients in a mug and stir well. 2. Enjoy this refreshing drink first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. This detox drink is a delicious and easy way to boost your energy levels, improve digestion, and support your body's natural detoxification process. Section 5. Your 7-day detox journey, a day-by-day guide. Now for the main event, your 7-day detox plan. Each day, you'll enjoy delicious meals and snacks packed with our 7 detox superstars. Remember to drink plenty of water throughout the day to stay hydrated and support detoxification. Start your day with the detox drink. For breakfast, enjoy a bowl of oatmeal with berries and a sprinkle of chia seeds. Lunch could be a large salad with grilled chicken or fish. For dinner, have a light soup or stir-fry loaded with veggies. Begin your day with the detox drink. For breakfast, try a green smoothie with spinach, banana, and almond milk. Lunch could be a quinoa salad with roasted vegetables. For dinner, enjoy a piece of baked fish with steamed vegetables. Kickstart your morning with the detox drink. For breakfast, have a slice of whole wheat toast with avocado and a poached egg. Lunch could be a lentil soup with a side salad. For dinner, try a vegetable curry with brown rice. Start your day with the detox drink. For breakfast, enjoy a yogurt parfait with berries, granola, and a drizzle of honey. Lunch could be a salad with grilled chicken or tofu. For dinner, have a veggie burger on a whole wheat bun. Begin your day with the detox drink. For breakfast, try a smoothie with berries, spinach, and almond milk. Lunch could be a quinoa salad with roasted vegetables. For dinner, enjoy a piece of baked fish with steamed vegetables. Kickstart your morning with the detox drink. For breakfast, have a slice of whole wheat toast with avocado and a poached egg. Lunch could be a lentil soup with a side salad. For dinner, try a vegetable curry with brown rice. Start your day with the detox drink. For breakfast, enjoy a yogurt parfait with berries, granola, and a drizzle of honey. Lunch could be a salad with grilled chicken or tofu. For dinner, have a veggie burger on a whole wheat bun. This is just a sample plan. Feel free to get creative and customize it to your liking. The key is to focus on whole, unprocessed foods and incorporate our 7 detox superstars throughout your day. Section 6. Join the challenge, transform your health. Are you ready to embark on this incredible journey to a healthier, happier you? I encourage you to take the 7-day detox challenge and experience the transformative power of these natural ingredients. Share your progress on social media and inspire others to join the movement. Remember, this is not just a detox, it's a lifestyle change. By incorporating these healthy habits into your daily routine, you'll reap the benefits for years to come. Here's to a healthier, more vibrant you.